Hey everyone, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch off your iPhone 15. So let's get started. Now we're going to show you how to do this in a few different ways. The first way, it's going to be using either your volume up or volume down button along with this big side button. We're going to press and hold simultaneously here the volume up and the side button for about a few seconds, just like this, until this menu pops up where you can simply slide this to switch off your iPhone. Now that's going to be method number one. Now for some reason you can't get it to do that, you can also go through the settings. So simply find settings on your iPhone and then go down to general, scroll down until you see shutdown. You're going to click on it, same exact process. You can slide to switch off your iPhone. Now a third method is if you are using Siri, you can get Siri to switch off your iPhone. Simply just activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing and holding this side button until Siri turns on. So I'm going to show you how that's done. So press and hold and I say, "Hey Siri, switch off my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And that will also switch off your iPhone 15. And to turn it back on, we're going to simply, this time, just hold on to this big side button until we see the Apple logo appear, just like that. And once you see the Apple logo appear, you let go of that big side button. Now, if that isn't working for you, another method is connecting to a charger, which will also automatically turn back the phone on if it's turned off. So that's how you switch off and on your iPhone 15. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.